Why should you leave your leaves this fall? 3 reasons. 1, it's great for the ecosystem. 2, helps reduce erosion. And 3, it's just less work.
All the native trees and shrubs we sell create food for wildlife. Nuts, berries, seeds, but most importantly, leaves. Countless insects native to the region consume those leaves. Once the leaves fall, many of those same bugs go dormant underground or within the leaf litter. But every time you throw leaves into the street, you're throwing away possibly hundreds of bugs.
Great if you hate bugs, but terrible if you love songbirds. It's their primary food source.
As the leaves break down, they recycle nutrients into the soil, providing food for an entire ecosystem of microorganisms underground. The faster water moves, the more erosive force it has. One of the easiest ways to slow down water in the yard is to have leaves. All the extra surface area grinds rain to a halt, giving that water time to soak deep into the soil.
Keeping your soil where it is and not in our rivers and lakes.
You can spend an entire day raking leaves, but all it takes is a windy day, and now you have your neighbor's leaves. Designating spots in the yard to be leaf beds acts like natural mulch. Areas under large trees make great native garden locations, giving you unique yard interests year-round. All our trees can provide these benefits. All you have to do is leave some of the leaves. In the comments, we'll have a link expanding on the benefits of leaves.